case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1973, the Supreme Court heard a landmark case, Frontiero vs. Richardson, which centered on the government's treatment of men and women in the uniformed services. The case was spurred by the denial of increased benefits to a female service member for her husband, as he was not dependent on her for more than half of his support. In contrast, male members were able to claim their wives as dependents, regardless of their level of dependence. Prior to making its way to the Supreme Court, the District Court upheld the constitutionality of the statutes in question, suggesting that differential treatment could lead to savings in administrative expense and manpower. However, this decision was appealed on the grounds that the challenged statutes constituted invidious discrimination, as they subjected men and women to dissimilar treatment in similar situations. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled that this treatment was, in fact, unconstitutional and a form of sex discrimination, stressing that classifications based on sex must be subjected to strict judicial scrutiny. The court emphasized the need for equal treatment under the law, particularly given the nation's long history of sex discrimination, and rejected the argument that administrative convenience could justify such a discriminatory statutory scheme. This decision pushed Congress to be increasingly sensitive to sex-based classifications and ensure equal treatment in the provision of benefits for members of the uniformed services.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.